ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് സ്റ്റിറോയിഡൽ ഹോർമോണിനെ കുറിച്ച് കുറച്ച് അറിവുകളാണ്. വാട്ട് യു മീൻ ബൈ സ്റ്റിറോയിഡ് ഹോർമോൺ? Steroid hormones is a group of hormones that belong to the class of chemical compounds known as steroids. They are secreted by three steroid glands. First one adrenal cortex, second one is testes and ovaries. During pregnancy, it is also produced by placenta. All steroidal hormones are derived from cholesterol and act as a chemical messenger in the body. They are transported through the bloodstream to the cell of various target organs where they carry out the regulations of a wide range of physiological functions, that including the development and function of the reproductive system. There are 5 major classes of steroid hormones. They are testosterone or androgen, estradiol or estrogen, progesterone or progestin, cortisol or corticosterone, that is known as glucocorticoids, and aldosterone or mineralocorticoids. In conclusion, the steroidal hormones are synthesized in the adrenal cortex, the gonads, and the placenta are all derived from cholesterol, and many are of clinical importance. Steroid hormones are synthesized in the mitochondria and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Adrenal cortex produces the adrenocortical hormones, which consist of glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoids. Glucocorticoids such as cortisol control or influence many metabolic processes, including the formation of glucose from amino acids and fatty acids and the deposition of glycogen in the liver. Glucocorticoids also help to maintain normal blood pressure, and their anti-inflammatory and immunosuppressive action have rendered them useful in treating rheumatoid arthritis and preventing the rejection of transplanted organs. Mineralocorticoids such as aldosterone help maintain the balance between water and salt in the body, predominantly exerting their effect within the kidney. Androgen are male sex hormones. The principal androgen, testosterone, is produced primarily by the testes and is lesser amount by the adrenal cortex, and in women it is produced by the ovaries. Androgens are primarily responsible for the development and maintenance of reproductive function and stimulation of the secondary sex characteristic in male. Androgen also have an anabolic function, that is synthesizing constructive rather than degradative function in stimulating the production of skeletal muscles and bone as well as red blood cells. To enhance the anabolic activity of androgen without increasing their masculinizing ability, anabolic steroids were developed. Overdosing has been linked to serious side effects including infertility and coronary heart diseases. Estrogens are one of the two types of female sex hormones. They are secreted mainly by the ovaries and in smaller amount by the adrenal glands, and in men it is produced by testes. Estradiol is an important estrogen steroid hormone in both women and men. Steroid hormones help to control metabolism, inflammation, immune functions, salt and water balance, development of sexual characteristics, and the ability to withstand injury and illness. Estradiol is the most potent of the estrogens, functioning similarly to androgens. The estrogen promote the development of the primary and secondary female sex characteristics, and they also stimulate linear growth and skeletal maturation. In other mammals, these hormones have been shown to precipitate estrus. The ovarian production of estrogen plummet during the menopause. Cyclical changes during the women's normal ovulatory menstrual cycle. Progestins, the most important of which is progesterone, are the other type of female sex hormone and are named for their role in maintaining pregnancy, that is progestation. Estrogens and progestin are secreted cyclically during menstruation. During the menstrual cycle, the ruptured ovarian follicle or corpus luteum of the ovary produces progesterone, which renders the uterine lining receptive to the implantation of fertilized ovum. Should this occur, the placenta becomes the main source of progesterone, without which the pregnancy would terminate. As pregnancy progresses, the placental production of progesterone increases, and these high doses suppress ovulation and preventing the second conception. Contraceptive quality of progesterone led to development of structurally modified progestin and estrogens. The oral contraceptive, known as birth control pills, used by women to prevent unwanted pregnancy. Normal oral contraceptive pills containing an estrogen component, that may be ethinyl estradiol, mestrenol, estradiol or its prodrug estradiol valerate, and a progesterone component, that may be levonorgestrel, northestrone, gestodine, disogestrel, drospirenone, nomgestrol, dinogest or ciproterone. ഓക്കെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളുമൊക്കെ കമൻറ്റായി രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. അടുത്തൊരു വീഡിയോയിൽ കാണും വരേക്കും ബൈ.